How to fix the ChatGPT chat limit issue. In this video, I will show you a very simple way to solve the ChatGPT chat limit problem. So make sure to watch the video patently, otherwise you won't be able to understand it completely. You need to open the ChatGPT app info. Then click on storage option. After selecting the storage option, you need to clear the clear cache and clear the data. Now you need to allow all the app permissions. Then open the Play Store. After open the Play Store, tap on search bar, then search ChatGPT application. If your ChatGPT isn't updated, you ahead and update it. I have the update, I just open it. I hope all your ChatGPT issues are solved now. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the update, and don't forget to drop a like and share this video with your friends.